Go ahead.
I got somebody put me on their shoulders.
Uh,
Sure you can hold me?
oh yeah, I can hold you at the piggyback ride. Yeah.
Couldn't be that hard. I'm putting these right here. No, I gotta come down right now. Come over here, Mark.
I'll do it again in a minute to get up there.
You got the camera?
Yeah, dude. I got it.
Do not drop me.
I'm gonna drop you.
Alright, I'm on.
You're on.
I was.
I thought you were on.
I was on.
Here.
Sure, that's fine.
You ready?
I'm waiting on you. Oh fuck, I can't reach that.
Yeah, I can get on his shoulders. I had him.
Here you go, so you're gonna do it again.
Dude, it's up.
Are we going in it?
Are you wanting to go in it?
Hell yeah.
Oh, this hurts my hands.
Oh, I bet.
There's somebody leaving. Huh? There's somebody in a car over there.
Oh, well, I thought you got kicked in the face.
There's somebody over there.
Over where?
Over there, they're leaving.
Okay.
This?
No, they can't see us. Okay, you should begin. No.
Hang on. See where they're turning. They didn't went past the outlet.
I think they see us.
Huh?
You think they see us?
Probably.
I don't think so.
Go ahead. Here you go. You're good now. I don't see him anymore.
Yeah, you're good.
No, they're right there.
The red car?
Yeah.
Oh. Now you're good.
Now you're good. They went behind the building.
Oh, keep going.
Oh shit.
What?
They're coming this way.
That's right.
What? Are they coming?
Hold on.
I'm sitting here recording the ground.
They're all. Oh.
There they go. It's up to you guys. What do you want to do?
Here you go. Get down and come on.
Get down. Be careful.
Alright, watch them. You're going back up.
Are we going inside it? Get your camera.
I got it.
Get your camera so you can record inside it. It's awesome inside.
Who's this?
Alright, dude.
Madison who?
Who else is here?
Madison what?
Is there a coffin in it?
Oh, what are you doing?
You go down here.
What's going on, guys? Come, get down.
Just get down, guys.
Can I call you back? I'm in the middle of about to be arrested. I'll call you back in the area.
Are you going inside it?
Probably not.
Huh?
Maybe
No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what's going on, dude.
Let me get to the car.
What we're doing
Is we need
stuff.
to do something.
We need to hurry up and get out of here. Hello?
Still recording?
Are you coming to Rockwood?
Alright. Put it on my sheet.
Probably not.
The lanyard. Hook the lanyard to my sheet.
What's the lanyard?
Here, just keep it.
Alright. Oh, you want?
Tell them to get down.
Dude, there they are.
Dude, just come on, get down.
Where are they?
Where they at?
Yeah.
Where they at?
Right there.
Are they walking?
No.
Huh?
No, dude.
Come on, get down. Let's go.
Just drop.
Drop your gun.
Hurry, hop on this.